Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. And about today's video, it's about how to work with gold leaves on your house walls and ceilings in 3 simple steps. And I am very thankful for my sponsor Leafing Creation to share their work in our channel. Friends, this work tutorial is solely belong to Leafing Creation. Do watch completely to know how they create magic and give a royal look on wall and ceiling by just following only 3 steps. And for more of their beautiful products and services, do check their link in the description below. Enjoy the making.